is SGT Times, bringing news from campus bus to the world. I am Tiwari and here's what making headlines. Vande Bharat Sleeper trains to launch soon. UP Police issues guideline for Mission Shakti centers. India set for Super 4 clash against Bangladesh. Here's a detailed look at our stories. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw announced the launch of 2 Vande Bharat Sleeper trains soon for overnight journeys. Here's we bring you the details.
Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw said 2 Vande Bharat Sleeper train will be launched soon. The first has cleared tests and the second will be ready by mid next month. Built with ICF technology, each train will run at 180 km per hour, carrying over 1100 passengers. The minister also announced 12,000 special trains for Diwali and Chhath travel. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
UP Police has issued guidelines for Mission Shakti centers focusing on women's safety across all police stations. Let's have a look.
Uttar Pradesh Police has issued guidelines for Mission Shakti centers at all police stations. These centers, part of the state's women safety campaign, will act as mini outposts for crime against women. Headed by a women sub-inspector, they will have supporting staff, home guards and counselors. Officers will serve 3 to 5 years with special training. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's pause for a short break. We will be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back. Here what next in the news. India takes on the Bangladesh in the Asia Cup Super 4, with spinners expected to decide the launch outcome. Let's know more about the news.
After beating Pakistan, India faced Bangladesh in the Asia Cup Super 4. India has won 16 of 17 T20 meetings, but Bangladesh's spinner could test them. Abhishek, Sharma and Gill are in great form, boosting India's batting. Bangladesh hopes to restrict India with Mustafizur and spin options. The clash promises a fierce contest. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
आज के लिए बस इतना ही। SGT टाइम्स फैकल्टी ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन एंड मीडिया टेक्नोलॉजी की एक पहल। आपसे फिर जुड़ेंगे ताज़ा खबरों के साथ। तब तक के लिए दीजिए इजाज़त। नमस्कार।